Yo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of y'all, man. I'm back again. It's your boy. In case you don't know, I go by name DJ Baba Cross, aka I Get Money One of Germany. Guys, what did they play? I come out today with Fat and Oye, make a bus stand. What did they happen for inside the Europe where we did? Guys, what did they play? Guys, what did they play for inside Europe? Me, I don't know. I just get a call from a friend of mine. So, guys, I said if I don't drop this matter, it not go good. You understand? The backside not go good, but I go try to drop the matter so that make the user get sense before guys begin bust everywhere. So, guys, stay tuned and watch. I will be right back. I'm back again. So at the matter be this one. So me no know how they play. Guy, what did they play? Nigeria, anything when Nigeria see that they turn out to another thing. Europe landlord. Now they talk about Europe landlord. Europe landlord, what did they play? What did they happen for inside the Europe landlord? What you now see? We say that government, Nigeria government, president no good, governors no good. None of them good, politicians no good. Yeah, everybody no good for the Nigeria. But you now when you say man, you not be politician, nothing. So you not be government, you not get power when you hold. Your whole work they because say you dey inside the Europe, you get the opportunity. First, you first the other of your brother get opportunity, you dey use am. Government give you house, you rent house yourself or whatever, waiting how you take get the house. You go rent out for somebody, you go let her rent. At the end of the month, before you pay your money, Europe landlord, now go pull law. They know they back 2 times. They know they back this one. They know they do that one. Visitor go come, una go add money join am. One person go rent, now say 300. If they complete 2, now say 400 or 500. What happen? Somebody go rent for your house. You get friends. One come greater. Una go charge her, una go bill her. What did they happen? For inside the Europe. Say no friends, Nothing. Somebody go work, you go come there for work, they run, they call house. And then if you want to tell your girl say you want clothes, because of the landlord say from 9 o'clock they no go fit cook again. Which kind of matter be all those one Europe landlord? The Igbo will give you house or the government will give you house. Now what thing they do you? They tell you say after 9 o'clock no cooking. When you go current out for somebody, you tell them say 9 o'clock no cooking. What did they happen? Mona use unarere. You just sit down for parlor there, fold down. They go bring library 200 euro for you, may you pay. The 200 euro, you go share them for people when you give us, you go share them say na 500 euro. You go collect 300 euro, you put for pocket. House rent go come, you go share them among them, they go pay them. Parlor when you suppose there, you go rent her out. Person now, you not go they use one side for parlor. You must get your parlor now. You can't disturb who rent. You can't disturb who rent. You go they sleep one room for inside house when they give you. You see rent out, they not talk. You see they give the condition. They know they bath 2 times. And you will never pay. You will come switch your light off. Not on Namo, not on your light, this and this, so you never pay. What did they happen? Mona not they use una brain. Mona use una really. It means say you find enter Europe, say na so you reach, so you don't finish for there. You never finish for there. Mona they use una brain. What did they happen? Europe landlord. House you never build though. You never build that, so you just get house, you never build. If you can't build, If you can't build house, how you want to use them? Somebody no touch the wall now. House when they still give you. Now you see they pass law, they know they cook around 9. When it is 9 o'clock, no cooking. So who can get work now when they go work 9 o'clock, you never come. You don't go fit cook again, not go eat. You don't go eat for house when they pay. At the end of the month, you go pay you money. You know they go anywhere. Now that money you take they leave. You say you be landlord for waiting. You get house, you rent that out for person, mean say you be landlord to come the control. Small time now will be the useless landlord. When I go come they say who rent for una hand. If you carry a girlfriend call you like her, you come condition and say make it give you. Make it give you because he rent for your hand. What did they solve? What did they play for inside the Europe? One of they use Unarere. One of they use Unarere before guys begin bust to now. It's high time now stop all this rubbish. Before guys go verse, come they bust to now. When you know say what you they do not good, you continue they do. What be your own? What you won't gain? What be your own? For inside all those kind useless matter, useless thing what they do. What if you na problem? And what if you now? For instance, what if you now? What if you na problem? Europe landlord. That they talk about Europe landlord. Landlord and landlady for Europe. When I call Europe, come claim landlord and landlady for house that never buy. Now never buy house. Now don't know how much that they say house. Now monthly na rent na see they pay. The rent out for now because they now na put paper. This is the happen most Italian and France. Italian and France. When I use una brain no. All this I call Europe come be landlord, I call Europe come be landlady for house when you never build though. When I use una already. Guys the verse, guys don't the verse. When they use una brain no. It's high time now stop all this rubbish. It's high time. I go so stop this rubbish. I'm gonna just stop out because guys not the verse. Not be like that though. They think they live life. They don't they live life like that. They don't they live life like that though. So now the matter when I just say make a job, I be this one. Europe landlord and landlady. One of they use on our brain. One of they use on our brain no. It's not good. We on our one, we on our Nigerians. Nigeria, because say you don't first enter Europe. Go get the small opportunity. This one a small opportunity. Now I go call her. A small opportunity. Now I go call this one. You enter Europe, you get paper. Maybe you can't get a house. They give you house or you rent house. So you won't rent out for somebody. Yes, you can rent, give somebody when you want rent house, give. But as far as you rent her out, you tell her how much you want pay you, they pay you the money. So leave her, let her do what they in mind. Yes, I know it's okay, the house you go control, maybe you play loud music and others when time don't go. Okay, maybe the law when they still give you. It's fine. That one is okay. Not be you come tell her say 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, no cooking again. No cooking. If you get a friend when one come greet her, if he not carry you, sit down, can't bribe you, a friend not go fit come greet her. For house when they pay money put. That friend when they come greet her, you know whether that one they support her for the house rent to pay house rent. You know, you don't know. He come out for house in the morning, come back in the afternoon or in the evening. Now what do you know? But you don't know how he waka. So that person when one come greet her, you know whether that one they support time for life. You don't know. And the person when one come greet her, you don't know how he beat to her. Say no visitor. If you get visitor without it not tell you, no problem. If he tell you, okay, if the visitor still come, if now 1 day, 2 days you spend though, if not go end, you go calculate. How you want to calculate now daily payment? How you want to calculator? You just tell her what today your mind make you pay. How long gonna go start to do all this one? How long? When I want do and reach? It's high time to stop and they don't stop all this trolley issue now. Say okay, to the bring people come because they do all those rubbish. They don't stop and now the problem when I come get now hungry one kill now to the use house strength, to the use house now to the punish people. It's high time now stop her. It's not good, but now stop all this rubbish. When I try to stop her. You rent house, you rent for person. If he pay you your money when you agree, okay, he go pay you. Leave her. If you like make it cook, you know they pay for the light. Light when they use, you know they pay. Water when they use, you know they pay. That gas when you they say may not take cook, you know they pay. I mean now you get the food. Now you get the food, not be you get her. Now you want to tell them when you go take cook. Eh? What a person when could be say may they close for work by 10. Or they close for work by 11. He go they work the fear. Because if he close today now, he not go fit cook, he not go fit eat for house. Or person when want go work, come back around 10. Now that morning food, you want to chop, go take sleep. Because a landlord go say me he no cook. Landlady go say me he no cook, time don't go. Now Ogun go kill all of them. Mona use una brain. Mona use una brain, no. Mona use una brain. So now waiting I say me I let una know. Because before they will begin the bust una, Mona use una brain. So in case you see this video, try to share this video, make it go viral. Make them see and so they have to use their brain because it's high time they change, you know. It's high time they change because they say you won't fair reach there. No me say now only you go reach there. Other people when they never even start, they go still reach there. The opportunity when you get, they go still get her. So waiting with the suffer ourselves for. When I use on our brain, Europe landlord, Europe landlady. When I try, yes. I give una hand. Maybe one and they suffer and they come. The rest of them, they see they never even start the journey. But that one not me. You understand? Now somebody go ferry somewhere before another one go come there. When I use on our brain. I use on our brain. When they anything when they do, when I use on our brain. And not tell una say okay now so amount or not be so amount. If una tell them say money when they want pay, anyone when agree to fee pay, una give her house, mona let her get freedom. It not be prison day. Mona free her, make it get freedom. Europe lady, Europe landlord. Now they talk to. Mona free her. Yeah. God bless all of you.